In this video, we will be covering the replacement of the 10554C mechanical pressure balance cartridge in the Banner M540 and M580 series tub and shower faucets. The tools you'll need for this are a flat or slot screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, large adjustable wrench, or a set of large adjustable pliers. You may also want to put a cloth or a towel over the drain to your shower or tub in order to keep any loose parts from falling into the drain. First, you'll want to remove the handle off the front of the faucet. If you have a round acrylic handle, you'll want to remove the index button, which will expose the handle screw. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the screw and remove the handle. You'll also want to remove the handle adapter off the front of the stem as well. If your faucet has a lever style handle like you see on this one, there's a set screw in the base of the handle. Using the Allen wrench which came with your unit, loosen the set screw and remove the handle. There's also a handle adapter which is held on with a set screw. You'll want to loosen that set screw and remove the handle adapter so you can reinstall it later. Next, you'll want to remove the faceplate off the front of the valve. Using a Phillips screwdriver, loosen the two faceplate screws and remove them off the front faceplate of the valve. Now the faceplate should slide completely off the valve and set it aside. You'll now be looking at the front of the valve as you see it here. You'll note on either side of the valve are two stops. Using a slotted screwdriver, you'll want to turn these stops clockwise until they are completely seated. This will shut off the flow of water to the valve. As an extra safety precaution, you can also turn off the water to your home or to your unit. Next, you're going to remove the dome cap. Using a large set of adjustable pliers or an adjustable wrench, grab the flat spot on either side of the dome cap, turn it counterclockwise, loosening it, then you can remove it by hand. You're now looking at the cartridge that you're going to be replacing. Using a pair of pliers, grab the stem of the cartridge and gently rocking it back and forth, pull the cartridge out. You'll want to set it down in the exact same direction it was removed. Looking at the back side of the cartridge, you'll see a blue gasket that has a certain pattern to it. You'll want the replacement cartridge to go in and match that same pattern. If the cartridge is out 180 degrees when you put it in, the water will go from hot to cold rather than cold to hot. So you'll want to make sure it's in the correct direction. Place the new cartridge in the exact same direction as the old one came out and make sure it is seated. In other words, it shouldn't turn back or forth once it's seated. Next, replace the dome cap. Getting it hand tightened first, then you can come back with a pair of pliers or a wrench and just make sure it's snug. Just give it an extra, short turn just to make sure it's snug. You don't want to over torque it since the material is made of brass and you can easily strip the threads on it. Next, you'll want to open the stops back up by turning them counterclockwise. Make sure they're open as far as they will go. This way you'll have full flow on both the hot and the cold side of the valve. and the cartridge will work properly. Now you'll want to put the handle adapter back on the front of the cartridge, just temporarily, and your handle back on the front of the cartridge. Turn the water on by turning it counterclockwise to the full on position, and let the water run for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, flushing out the lines and any debris or scaling that may be in the lines. Remove the handle, remove the adapter. Next, put the faceplate back on in the correct position. Put your faceplate screws back in, tighten those down, replace the handle adapter, tighten it down, replace your handle, and tighten it down as well. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 877-235-9008 or www.bannerfaucets.com. Thank you.